Impact Windows High Springs are a smart choice for homeowners and businesses looking for dependable storm protection, stronger security, and long-term value. In High Springs, Florida, impact window installation and impact window replacement help properties stand up to severe weather while improving comfort and curb appeal. From hurricane impact windows to storm protection windows, local property owners rely on High Springs, Florida window contractors for durable solutions that include impact-resistant glass, wind-rated windows, and security-reinforced windows. High Springs, Florida impact glass and High Springs, Florida impact-resistant glass are essential for protecting homes during hurricane season and year-round storm events. High Springs hurricane impact windows are designed to resist forceful wind, flying debris, and pressure changes, making them a trusted upgrade for residential impact windows and commercial impact windows alike. With High Springs, Florida hurricane protection, property owners gain added peace of mind through weather-resistant windows that deliver strength and performance when it matters most. Impact Windows High Springs upgrade specialists offer window upgrade solutions that improve both safety and efficiency. Energy-efficient impact windows help reduce heat transfer, lower utility costs, and maintain indoor comfort in the Florida climate. Whether you need High Springs energy-efficient windows for a home or High Springs commercial window replacement for a business, impact-rated windows and energy-efficient impact windows provide a practical, high-value investment for long-term savings and enhanced protection. High Springs, Florida window installers provide custom fitting for a wide range of styles, including aluminum impact windows, vinyl impact windows, sliding impact windows, double-hung impact windows, and casement impact windows. High Springs custom window fabrication ensures each opening gets a precise match, while custom impact windows can be designed to suit architectural needs, performance goals, and local building requirements. From residential window installation to High Springs new construction impact windows, the right design and fit make a major difference in performance. Impact Windows High Springs replacement is often necessary after high winds, debris impact, or aging seals compromise existing glass. When window frame replacement or storm window installation becomes necessary, local professionals can restore protection quickly with High Springs, Florida hurricane window solutions. These services are especially important for homeowners seeking High Springs storm damage window replacement, High Springs window frame replacement, or High Springs, Florida storm windows that can withstand future weather events. Commercial properties in High Springs benefit from commercial impact windows and glass impact door systems that support safety, efficiency, and business continuity. High Springs commercial window replacement services help offices, retail spaces, and multi-unit buildings upgrade to stronger, more secure systems. High Springs, Florida window contractors can also provide security window systems and wind-resistant windows that reduce vulnerability while maintaining a clean, professional appearance for commercial spaces. Residential upgrades are just as important, and High Springs residential window installation can dramatically improve comfort, security, and exterior style. Homeowners often choose High Springs residential window installation for a full property refresh, including sliding glass impact windows, High Springs casement window installation, and High Springs aluminum impact windows or High Springs vinyl impact windows. With residential impact windows, families get dependable hurricane resistance and everyday performance in one smart upgrade. New construction projects in High Springs, Florida benefit from High Springs new construction impact windows that are built to meet modern standards for durability and efficiency. Builders and developers often specify impact window installation early in the process to streamline compliance and improve project value. High Springs, Florida window installers can coordinate new builds with impact-rated windows, storm protection windows, and window retrofit services to ensure every structure is ready for Florida weather from day one. High Springs sliding glass impact windows and glass impact door systems are popular for patios, lanais, and outdoor living areas where visibility and access matter. These systems pair well with storm protection windows and weather-resistant windows to create a seamless barrier against wind and debris without sacrificing natural light. For homeowners wanting a clean, modern look, High Springs sliding glass impact windows provide strong performance and convenient operation in the Florida climate. High Springs Florida hurricane protection becomes even more effective when paired with High Springs Florida impact glass, High Springs wind-resistant windows, and High Springs security window systems. Businesses and households alike can reduce vulnerability to break-ins and weather-related damage by choosing security-reinforced windows and hurricane impact windows designed for strength. For many properties, window retrofit services and impact window replacement offer a cost-effective way to bring older structures up to current protection standards. High Springs window upgrade solutions are available for nearly every property type, from single-family homes to storefronts and offices. Whether the project requires High Springs impact window installation, High Springs impact window replacement, or High Springs hurricane impact windows, local experts can deliver durable results with aluminum impact windows, vinyl impact windows, and custom impact windows tailored to the property. With High Springs Florida impact glass, wind-rated windows, and impact-resistant glass, property owners get lasting protection, improved energy performance, and increased value throughout High Springs, Florida.